Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best grill cleaner spray is probably one of the most essential tools for any barbecue enthusiast looking to maintain a pristine cooking surface, ensuring not only the longevity of their grill but also the safety and taste of the food they prepare. This heavy-duty formula is designed to cut through stubborn grease, baked-on food residue, and carbonized buildup with remarkable ease, saving you valuable time and effort after every cookout. Imagine effortlessly restoring your grill grates to their original shine, making your next grilling session even more enjoyable and hygienic, all without the need for harsh scrubbing or excessive elbow grease. Number 5. Spray 9 Heavy-Duty Cleaner, Degreaser and Disinfectant. Experience professional strength cleaning, degreasing, and disinfecting all in one bottle. It powers through tough soils fast on a variety of surfaces. Sanitize surfaces in just 10 seconds. It's perfect for high-touch areas, ensuring fast and effective hygiene control everywhere. Easily control mold and mildew on concrete, tiles, and more. Maintain a cleaner, healthier environment, protecting both home and industrial spaces. From greasy engines to spotless showers, this all-in-one solution removes dirt, grease, grime, and stains. Get a sparkling clean finish on many materials. Eliminate viruses in 30 seconds and bacteria in 45 seconds. It provides thorough disinfection, keeping your space safe and clean. What we like. This cleaner offers triple action power, acting as a cleaner, degreaser, and disinfectant all in one. It sanitizes surfaces in just 10 seconds and combats mold and mildew. If you need a versatile solution for tough messes across various surfaces, from engines to bathrooms, this is your go-to. What people say. It works quickly and easily to the point where you just can rinse it off or wipe the dirt away. This stuff works awesome on grease, old smoke stains and everyday normal spills and dirt. It's an incredible cleaner, degreaser, kills mold, mildew and disinfects in 45 seconds. Number 4. Weiman Gas Range Cleaner and Degreaser. Tired of stubborn grease and cooked-on splatter? Our powerful cleaner dissolves tough messes, leaving your gas range with a sleek shine. This formula is designed to tackle even the most challenging grease and burned-on food. It makes degreasing your kitchen surfaces incredibly easy. It's perfect for more than just your gas range. Use it on stovetops, knobs, drip pans, and even your barbecue grill grates for a brilliant clean. Enjoy a clean kitchen without the unpleasant smell. This cleaner has a low odor and no harsh fumes, making your cleaning experience more pleasant. Keeping your range clean is simple. Just spray and wipe for daily messes, or let it sit for tougher buildup to achieve maximum effectiveness. What we like. This product is specifically designed to tackle cooked-on grease and food messes on gas ranges, leaving a sleek shine. It boasts a low-odor formula, making your cleaning experience more pleasant. If you're looking for a specialized cleaner that effectively degreases and shines your gas range without harsh fumes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It works great. I spray it on, wait a couple minutes, and the grease and stuck-on food comes right off. Leaves my range shiny and clean. Removes grease very well, doesn't smell, easy to use. You just leave it on stains to act and all the dirt can be removed with a cloth, no need to scrub with sponges or metallic pads. Number 3. Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner Spray, 2-pack. Are your grill grates covered in baked-on grease and grime? Goo Gone Grill and Grate Cleaner is here to help you tackle the toughest messes. This powerful spray effortlessly cuts through grease and residue, making cleaning your barbecue cooking grates and racks a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your grill. Whether you have a charcoal, gas, pellet, or electric smoker, this cleaner is designed to work effectively. It's the versatile solution for all your grilling needs. This convenient 2-pack ensures you'll always have enough cleaner on hand for multiple uses. Keep your grill looking and performing its best with this essential cleaning duo. Don't let stubborn residue keep you from your next cookout. With Goo Gone, you can achieve a sparkling clean grill in no time. Enjoy delicious meals without the hassle of tough cleaning. Its advanced formula is specifically designed to dissolve grease and burnt-on food, restoring your grates to their original shine. It's the perfect partner for any grilling enthusiast. What we like. This spray is formulated to quickly clean and degrease barbecue cooking grates, as well as pellet and electric smokers. It cuts through tough grime and baked-on residue with ease. If you're a grill master who needs a fast and effective solution to keep your barbecue equipment spotless, this cleaner is ideal for you. What people say. Took off some really bad burnt grease on a stainless steel grill. Turn the grill on. Let some heat help. Most of the area behind the handle was black. Now you can see very little left. Goo gone melts it like butter. I will move my grill grates to the dishwasher and spray them down. After a cycle, they come out almost like new. The powerful foaming formula quickly gets rid of caked-on food, carbon, grease, and baked-on deposits that can ruin the taste of your favorite foods. Number 2. Oil Eater Original 1-Gallon Cleaner and Degreaser. Introducing the Oil Eater Original 1-Gallon Cleaner and Degreaser. It's designed to tackle the toughest grease and oil stains with professional strength. This powerful formula is engineered to dissolve heavy-duty stains effectively. Experience a new level of clean for your toughest jobs. Watch as it effortlessly breaks down stubborn grease and oil. It makes cleaning even the most challenging messes simple and fast. Whether it's in your workshop or on your equipment, this is the degreaser you can rely on. It's formulated for maximum performance. Don't let heavy-duty stains win. This cleaner is your solution for removing them, leaving surfaces spotless. Get the job done right. What we like. This cleaner is a professional strength solution designed to dissolve tough grease, oil, and heavy-duty stains. Its powerful formula makes it suitable for the most challenging cleaning tasks. If you're dealing with significant grease buildup or industrial-level grime and need a robust degreaser, this is the product you should consider. What people say. This cleaner is effective on baked-on grease and grime. It cuts through tough residue quickly, saving time on cleaning. The spray nozzle provides even coverage, making application easy. Number 1. Citrusafe Grill Cleaning Spray. Tired of scrubbing your grill? Introducing a powerful cleaner that cuts through grease and grime with ease. Get your grill ready for your next cookout in minutes. This potent formula is designed to tackle even the toughest baked-on food and grease. It works quickly to break down residue, leaving your grill looking like new. Made with effective ingredients, it cleans thoroughly without harsh fumes. Enjoy a sparkling clean grill with peace of mind. Whether you have a gas, charcoal, or electric grill, this spray is your go-to solution. It's safe for all grill grates and surfaces. Simply spray it on, let it sit for a few moments, and wipe away the mess. It makes grill maintenance a breeze, so you can focus on the food. Don't let a dirty grill ruin your barbecue. Order this essential cleaning spray now and experience the difference. What we like. This grill cleaning spray utilizes a citrus-based formula to effectively tackle grease and grime on your barbecue. It's tough on tough residues but safe for your grill surfaces. If you prefer a powerful cleaner with a pleasant citrus scent that leaves your grill grate sparkling clean, this is an excellent option. What people say. The 23-ounce bottle comes with an easy-to-use spray nozzle, allowing me to apply the solution evenly and precisely to the grates. It uses the strength of citrus extracts to effectively break down grease, grime, and stubborn residues on the grill, making the cleaning process effortless. It doesn't leave behind any harsh chemical odors or aftertaste on the grill grates. The refreshing citrus scent is pleasant and doesn't interfere with the flavors of the food I'm grilling. I've used this spray on both gas and charcoal grills, and it works equally well on both types of grates. With just a few sprays and a gentle brushing, I can see the grease and debris easily lifting off the grates, leaving them looking almost like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.